Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we will discuss how to make a calculation like a discount, shipping tag, shippings, and after we get a final amounts and we can store inside a database. In this video we can cover create an account. Suppose you are checked, so we need to show here like a password fields and he can add a password fields means passwords, and after you can click on the placeholder. So first we need to create accounts and after we need to go inside a checkout page. So in this video I will explain how to create an account using the checkout. Before we can start this video, so you are new in the channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading inside error solution, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? So just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can see it like a new menu, like a scripting. You can see it here and you can buy it. And also, do you want to learn about Laravel 11? So just go to release note and you can see it here. And also, do you want to develop any freelancer as a work? So just contact Telegram, WhatsApp, and Skype. But always we are preferring Skype. Okay. So let's start now. So first of all, we need to make here is a one hidden field, like a password. So you are checked, so we need to show. Otherwise, you are unchecked, so we don't want to show. So it's very simple, very easy. Just focus me. Okay. Resources, views, payment inside checkout page. Just copy these words and you can minimize. Let me minimize some, sorry, zoom out some, and here you can see it. So just you can copy and paste bottom. Okay, here you can change password and also you can provide one div here. Here type is equal to, you can change to text, and second point here name is equal to password, and just remove the required field right now. Okay, we don't want to need required fields. After here make a id show password, and here you can make style display none. But before we can check how its look should design, so just go back again and you can refresh. So look like professional designs, no any issue. Okay, so just you can make style display none. Second point, we are change like here you are click and unclick, so we need to get change events like it checked and not checked. Suppose I refresh, so you can see I need to get this event for the check uncheck. So we need to provide his id. After we need to work some JS code. So just you can provide a class. We don't want to make a id, create a account. Okay, just go scroll down and here you can type one scripting. So better you can just copy and paste this ones and you can put here, and after you can close. Now we need to check is checked or not checked. So if $this checked, suppose it's checked, so it's going to inside, otherwise is unchecked, so it's going to outside. Like a create account means this is the input box event. This means is this class and we need to get this event. Just go scroll down and copy the name of the password id. So here you can make like a show, and here you can do it hide. Everything's very simple, very easy, no any difficulty. Okay, let's go back again and we can check it's working not working. So just scroll down and you can see it show hide. You see you are checked, so please enter password. Now also we need to work as a required field. Suppose checked, so we need to required field add, and suppose unchecked, so required field don't need to add. But these things you can go scroll down. So here any place not their code like this required field add. So simply you need to go to like Google and you can check requires attribute add using jQuery. You can see require attribute add using jQuery. like this input field. Just you can open the first links, otherwise I copy paste code, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the line you need to copy, and just go here, true, required true, and here we need to provide a id of the input box, means a password input. Here, so here I can make another id, otherwise class whatever do you want to, like you can make it input password, my ideal name, input password, and just copy and scroll down. Here you can put it true, and here you can pass it like a false, so the required fields is removed. Okay, let's close this one, we don't need any more, and just scroll down and you can put here, so I can show you. Just inspect element, so you can see required field is there, suppose unchecked, so it's the adds, and also required field is there removed, you can see it here, you see, so it's working very well, no any issue. Okay, now what is the problem? Right now we are fill all the form, click on the placeholder, so the page is refreshing, so we don't want to refresh the page, so we need to call the Ajax, because of suppose you are created account, you had a password, this email already registered inside our database, so we need to show alert, this email already registered, please use another, so generate the problem, because I will redirect, so whatever data here you fill is gone, means is a empty all the columns, so better we need to call the here Ajax, and we can do it easily. So right now we need to work here Ajax to submit the form, so just go up and you can provide the name of the form. Here you can type like a submit form, whatever do you want to, like I already get one some Ajax code, so I don't want to take much time these reasons. Okay, and here our URL, so let's go to placeholder, so simple, you can go to routes, inside go to web, and here you can see it like a place order, payment controllers, app is payment controller, and here you can see it place order, so I can make dd, and here make like a request all. Okay, so I can show you proper way, this is the reasons, is Ajax calling or not calling, and after here already made die, so don't worry about that. Okay, so simple and very easy, just you can provide an id of the form. After I have write some code before, I just copy paste and just scroll down, and I can put here, so you can see it proper way. Now we don't want to need like this right now success message, so just remove. Okay, here we need to provide our URL, whatever their URL, we don't need like a save buttons, so also you can remove. Just scroll up and you can copy this URL, and you can remove your URL, we don't need any more this URL. Just scroll down and you can put here our URL, you can see it. Now form data means this form data, and here you can find out all the form value, processing data false, content type is equal to false. Suppose you are uploading the images using the form, so we need this one, but always you can put it here, like just simple Ajax we have started, and you can copy, means is a pause screen, and you can write it code. Okay, so let's go back again and refresh the page, and after I can fill the all the information, so very simple, very easy. Now also you need to provide the name of the created account, so we know he is right not right. Okay, so here I can provide a name of the input box is create, is create, is very simple, very easy, so don't worry about that. Now again you can make it like save the form and just go back again, refresh the page. Now I will open my e-commerce database, so let's try to test, and also I open my spec element, test. Here I can create any account, so I add a password 123456 and nots, and also I click on the placeholder, so free shippings, cash on delivery, and process to checkout. So you can see it here is the Ajax call, checkout place order. Here you can see it our response means Ajax working very well. And here you can see it is create on means a account you need to create. Suppose I can go back and I make unchecks and I click on the place order, so you can see it here is not found this field, so meaning about we don't want to create an account. Just you can check like this, always create an account. Okay, it's done. Let's go back again and we need to write some code here inside a payment controller. So we have already their user ID here, like inside OSDB I already had. So first of all we need to check all thing. If is not empty, create account dollar request, so it's going to inside. Otherwise dollar user ID is equal to blank. Okay, here we need to create an account. And another thing we need to check inside if, okay, this condition I will show you later, but right now just you can make it like create an account. Okay, so here we can make it like create an account. So first we need to check the email address is already registered or not registered. So let's go to auth controller. We have write some scripting here. So just scroll down here, you can check like a check email. So just copy this line and you can put here. Because of you already get here emails, you can see it here. Where is the emails? Here you see. So we need to check is not empty. Suppose is empty, is not empty, so it's going to here. Otherwise is going to here. Is not empty means we need to show here message, same thing we are showing in auth controller like this. Status is equal to false and this email already registered, please choose another. So you can do it like this. Okay, and here you need to create an account. So here's the data found, so check like I can show you inside a users models inside users.php, and here you can see it. We check inside database. Okay, so it's correct, no any issue now. Now here we need to write a create an account. So just go to back again auth controller and you can copy whatever we are using for the create an account. Just copy and paste here. We always get the name, we always get the emails, and we always get the password. So here our user ID is equal to whatever data you store $save into ID. So you are getting the user ID. But we also need to declare above hash and users models. So just go to backup and here you can use hash, and also you can declare here users tables. Okay, so let's scroll down, so you can see now. Now here's our data, their status and false. So we need to make validation. If validate is equal to 0 means no any issue. So we need to write here condition if empty, so it's going to inside and he can create orders. Let's copy all and you can put inside it. Just otherwise else part we need to show our error message. Here I can make like a $JSON status is equal to false. Here message we can make a dynamic $message, and also we can put here echo JSON encode. Here you can pass like a $JSON variable. Okay, so this is the all thing done like validation. Now here validate, here I can pass like a message is equal to this email already registered. Also we need to declare for this message is equal to blank. Okay, now once go here, so we need to change this variable value is equal to 1 means the error generate. Okay, so validate is equal to 0, and here you can find out user ID, here you can find out user ID. Now we need to go to models, and we need to make condition here. If is not empty, dollar user id, so it's going to inside, and we can put inside a orders models tables, because of we have already add a new column inside a orders tables. So let's show you. Just go to orders tables, and here you can see it, user id, you see it. Okay, it's working very well. And also here first name, so we need to change the name to first name. I think everything is correct now, no any issue. Just save these files and just go back again and refresh the page, and we can try again. I don't think refresh the page, but I would take 2 minutes more, so don't worry, I just copy paste very quick. Okay, now I just let's make some minimize and free, and I can like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and just click on the place orders. So you can see message showing this email address already registered, please choose another. That is equal to false. Suppose I am going to localhost, inside going to users tables, so you can see it, we have add like test@test.com. So here is already add test one we did, so test one here is already there, this reason. Suppose I can make like test 2, so not showing the error, and he is place the order. So let's write another scripting here, like $json is equal to true, and here I can make like a order success. Okay, because of we need to write some code here after order success, but just I can show here message order success, so we know. Okay, it is working very well. So let's go back again, and we can show here alert if data, sorry, if data dot status is equal to false, so it's going to inside, and here we can show alert like data dot message. So whatever response we are getting, suppose I go back again, so you can see data is equal to false, so here is a false, and here you can see it like a show the alert, so user know what we are showing. Okay, let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. Now you can add again all the test data, because of YouTube privacy policy, these reasons. Before I add one time real data, so easy remove my video, so I don't want to take a risk. I hope you can understand my feelings. Okay, create an accounts 1 2 3 4 5 6, and just notes, and here I can show cash on delivery, free shippings, and place orders. So you can see this email already registered, please choose another, and I will add here another emails like 2255, and just go and click on the place order. So you can see order success. So here is already creating account done, here is the tens, so you can see it 11s, you see 11. So here you can find out new account, also you can find out password. Now you can go to orders db, so also you can see it, new orders also available, also here available user id. So means create account working very well. Suppose I place again, so showing the error because of this email address now already registered. Okay, so this is the you are log out, you are login as account, after do you want to show, so look like work. Suppose you already log in, okay, here. So what we can do, let's log in one account, so I can show you. We can copy like a test@test.com, and password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6, because of we have already did before. So just click on the login buttons. Okay, so we don't know, so let's use another email address, and we can try any email can work, so it's good for our side. Please enter correct email address and password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I just press not working 7 8 9, just press okay. So right now I will log in one account. Here you can see logout button. So we don't want to show like a create an account option once I will log in, because of right now we are already logged in. So why we need? So simple, just go back again inside a checkout page, and here you can make conditions. If auth if auth check is a empty, so it's going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. And also we need to make condition inside a payment controller. So just go to back again, and here also we need to check if auth check is not empty. Suppose it's not empty, so going to here, and here you can make like a else part, and just you can copy paste all thing inside a else. And here is the user id is equal to whatever you are logging this data, like auth users and id. Here you can pass. Now we can go up and we can declare our auth. So use auth. Let's test one time and we can check is working, not working. Okay, here I already pass id. Suppose it's not login, so it's going to this part. Otherwise is already provide like whatever there inside authentication our id. Here you can pass and we can store. Here you can see it here. Okay, let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. Now you already log in. Okay, test. I can pass. Let's open the spec element so you can see it proper way. I just copy paste whatever email address do you want to pass. You can pass. This is the your dependency. Okay, it's not our dependency. And I just place the orders, so you can see it order success response. You see, so everything working very well. Here is a no any create accounts, and just go to orders db. So whatever I log in as a year account, this is the id you can find out, like 7 number user ids. So it's working very well, no issue. I hope you have clear. So in this video I will explain how to create account using the checkout. With checkout time how we can create account. So I will explain everything proper way. So do you have a question anything about the create an account using the checkout page? So please comment out. And do you want to like this video? So please like. And do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our error solution. Okay, and next video we can finally go like a cash on delivery, PayPal and credit card. Because of all scenario here there we ever sort out everything inside checkout page. So once you can place the orders, so suppose you can choose the PayPal, so we can redirect to PayPal. Suppose you can choose the credit card, so we can redirect to Stripe. And suppose you can choose the cash on delivery, so we don't want to redirect anywhere. Just simple thank you page. And we can check our Mola themes thank you page available, so we can copy paste here HTML page and we can show thank you page. And without guest he can add, so we need to provide one tracking number, and tracking number wise you can see it is the order details. Okay, and thank you for watching error solutions.